Hey there folks, thanks for clicking on the video. In this video, I'm going to open all these lures, get an up close look, and make it blue. Alright, let's open this stuff. Alright, let's get to opening this stuff up. I can't wait, this stuff looks awesome. Oh yeah, alright. I'm going to start with the 110 Junior. Oh yeah, this is GP Pro Blue, Vision 110 Junior. Just a little bit smaller version of the 110 Classic. This is translucent, but it's also got the reflective. This will be good in some clear water. Maybe a little cloud coverage and sunny. Got the good Megabass weight transfer. You can see that go. Oh yeah, it's gonna be sweet. Alright, that's the first one. I like this color. I've never had one, but whew. Matte shad. So again, it's the Junior. So this will be good on days where it's straight up cloudy. A little bit lower visibility. It's nice and solid. I'll be able to see that. Yeah, I'm trying to cast a mile. Let's get some specifics on these. Let's see. 3/8 of an ounce. Suspend, but it's really a slow float. 98 millimeters. Another Junior. This is GG Threadfin Shad. This one's really metallic-y. Yeah. GG Threadfin. And one more Junior. I think this is yeah, this is their classic color, Megabass Sexy Shad. Let's see. Oh, the barbs are on the inside on these ones. That's like a pearl. Another flat, not translucent finish. Okay. We'll go with the color we haven't opened yet. Oh yeah. So this is the +2. This goes down to 12 foot. Colors GP Pro Perch. It's a little bit translucent. It's a good looking jerkbait. .12 I know if I just get this in front of one, it's over. It's going to be a 110 +1. +1. These go down to 9 feet. It's another different color. Oh, it's M Shad. That's for metallic. It's got a little bit of a pink hue. Orange tail. M Shad. See, I didn't know it had an orange tail. It looks good. Not translucent. M shads. Solid. Alright, so this is a +1. It's another different color. HT Edo Tennessee Shad. +1, 9 foot. So this one's a little mixture. Solid back, clear belly. +1. +1 in GP Pro Blue. This is just a regular Vision 110, 6 foot diver. I only got one because I have a lot of pointer 100s and basically same depth range, so I didn't need a lot of those. I really just wanted some deep divers, but I had to get the classic. It's Megabass Sexy Shad. Let me see. Pretty sure. Yep. Got that in a +2 also. +12-foot diver. And I got it in a +1. Same color. One more +2, 12 foot. This is HT Ito Wakasagi. It's like M Shad, but it's half clear, half metallic. It's got a pink tail. This one does not have the orange tail. Ito Wakasagi. +2. Ooh. And these are medium running crankbaits. Deepex 100 LBO. I think they go about 8 foot, 6 to 8. Silent. And this is GG Wakasagi. Same thing, but this color is called Gilco. Man, I had to get that. Man. That is a good looking bait. Sorry, my stomach's growling. Alright, let's go on to these Lucky Crafts and we'll wrap this up. These are Pointer 78 SP Ghost Minnow. These things flat out catch fish, man. Silent, these don't have weights. So that's it for the Megabass stuff. That's what I got going on. There's a +2s. That's a regular deep XLBO. These are all +1s. And this one, these are all my juniors. Gotta split these up 2 and 2. Alright. Oh, I have some silent ones in my Lucky Craft box. Okay, I got my silent 110s out of the Lucky Craft box. This is MB Gizzard Shad. Silent 110s. Put them in their own slot. And this one's their Ghost Minnow or Ghost Shad, I think. Oh, an orange under the belly. Under the throat, I mean. Okay, now that's my Megabass box. Alrighty. Brand new 78, Pointer 78, Ghost Minnow. Got 2 of those. Stop biting me. Alright, it's another 78. Same thing, Ghost Minnow. Flat out catch 'em. Then I got 2 of their LV 500. LV Max 500. This is AG Wakasagi. Yeah, that's just their Lucky Craft Lipless. That color is sweet though. This is a translucent. It's got that holographic though. And this is the live threadfin shad. Yeah. More of a flat finish. Oh, that's sweet. Last one. Live thread fin shad. LV Max 500. I like that color. I need to get some jerk baits in that color. It's got a little pink under the throat. Good looking color. Alrighty. That is gonna do it. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good rest of y'all's day. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll catch you next time. You'll be getting notified. Have a good day.